Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to load the data from Oracle database to Postgres database. I have employees table in my Oracle database, which has around 107 records. I have employees table in Postgres database. Currently, the table is empty. Let's load the data from Oracle to Postgres. Let's design a code. Let's say load Oracle to PostgreSql. Let's import CX Oracle package to establish connection with Oracle database. Import CX Oracle. Let us also import psychopg2 package to communicate with Postgres database. Import psychopg2. Let's import config parser to get the database credentials from config file. Let's define a class load. Let's create init method def init. Let's say self dot Oracle connection is equal to none. Self dot Oracle cursor is equal to none. Self dot PostgreSql connection is equal to none. Self dot PostgreSql cursor is equal to none. Let's define configuration to get the database credentials. Self dot config is equal to config parser dot config parser. Self dot config dot read configuration file credentials.cfg. Now let's define properties to connect with Oracle database. Let's create a new method def Oracle connection self dot Oracle connection is equal to database properties of Oracle self dot Oracle cursor is equal to self dot Oracle connection dot cursor. Now let's define a method to define the credentials to connect with Postgres database. Def PostgreSql connection self dot PostgreSql connection is equal to database credentials of Postgres database self dot Postgres cursor is equal to self dot Postgres connection dot cursor. Let's define a method to extract the data from Oracle database. Def Oracle extract. Let's get the connection property using Oracle connection method. Self dot Oracle connection data is equal to self dot Oracle cursor dot execute. Select asterisk from employees dot fetch all. Let's return the result. Return row for row in data. Let's create an object and retrieve the result. Let's say object name ETL is equal to class name load, object name ETL dot method name Oracle extract. Let's print the result. We got the result. Let's print the result in new line. For row in ETL dot Oracle extract print row. Now let's define the method to insert the data into Postgres database. Def PostgreSql insert. Let's get the connection of PostgreSql. Self dot PostgreSql connection. Let's write an insert query. Let's get the column names first. Employee ID, comma, first name, comma, last name, comma, email, comma, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission PCT, manager ID, department ID. Let's create insert statement based on these columns. Let's have a variable called query is equal to insert into employees. Let's define the column names. Values. Let's define the number of variables. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Percentage S, comma, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we have to get the result of Oracle extract method. Let's get the result in loop. For row in self dot Oracle extract method, let's insert the data into Postgres database. Self dot PostgreSql cursor dot execute. Let's pass query parameter and the data row. Let's commit the process. Self dot PostgreSql connection dot commit. Let's run the code. Code is successful. Let's check the database. Data has been successfully inserted. 107 records are inserted. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.